Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to insert multiple pictures using data merge in Adobe InDesign. Now let's get started. First thing that you need to do is to prepare your data source. Create a spreadsheet with a column for your image file names. Here, I have my data source with columns for student number, first name, last name, email address, phone number, and of course, the most important column for us to insert the images on the InDesign is the image column. Make sure that the column header for the image file name starts with the symbol @ like @images, @photos. You can use any word that you like. Just make sure that the header always starts with @ symbol. Then, save the spreadsheet as a CSV file. I'll just minimize my file here because I already saved it. Next, you need to organize your images. Place all your images in a single folder and ensure that the file names match those listed in your CSV file. After that, open InDesign and create a new document if you do not have one yet. Here, I have already my document. So the next thing that I will do is I will go to Windows, then Utilities, and then select Data Merge to open the Data Merge panel. In the Data Merge panel, click on the menu icon and select Data Source. Oops, there is an error. So this error usually occurs when a data source is left open in a spreadsheet program. So you need to close the data source in a spreadsheet program and try importing it again into InDesign. Next thing that you will do is to drag the values to the text fields of your design. Do not forget the image, and then click preview. Just make some adjustments here to make the name bigger. The next thing that I will do is to create multiple images out of this design. So I will just click the little drop down here from single record to multiple records. As I click the preview, the images were automatically loaded on the design. If you want to adjust the spaces between the columns, you need to just to manipulate these little buttons here. And for the rows, you can do the same, and if you are satisfied with what you see, you can click OK, and InDesign will create a new document that shows all the IDs of the students with their respective pictures. So that's all for today. I hope this video helped you a lot in your work, in your studies, and make you even more productive. Until next time, thank you and good day.